Welcome to Pizza Perfection. We will show you how to make a homemade pizza. Start by preparing the dough. Combine flour, yeast, salt, and water in a bowl, then knead until smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour, or until it doubles in size. Now it's time to choose your toppings. Get creative with a variety of fresh ingredients like cheese, tomatoes, and basil. Assemble your pizza by spreading sauce on the dough, adding your chosen toppings, and baking it in a hot oven until golden and bubbly. Once your pizza is ready, slice it into mouth-watering pieces and serve it hot. Enjoy the deliciousness of your homemade pizza. Ready to make your own pizza? Subscribe and share. Don't forget to hit the like button.